Okay, so look at the 4 hour. This is a huge reversal on the 4 hour. This is not what I want to see as a bear. Okay, so let's look at a couple other stocks. So Nvidia. So this was my downtrend line on Nvidia. I don't like that we're breaking out here. Wait, it is breaking out from my downtrending parallel channel. I don't like that. If I look at other tech names, Meta, for example, also broke out here from this downtrend quite a while ago. We had a 9 come in. I was expecting some kind of reversal. We had a 9 and divergence coming in. Nothing, no reversal at all. Just continuing higher. You can see if we go to a 3-day chart, weekly. This is the top of a RSI downtrend on the weekly, but here's your other RSI that would have been like this. And here was your breakout right here at 110 and move higher. So again, pushing higher, looking extremely bullish. I mean, it's so bullish that everything is overbought except for the weekly, which is still under our 50 area. What other tech stocks? Looked at Nvidia, Facebook. Maybe look at Apple quickly. Apple was at the lows, but it's reversing here. If you look at it like this, you know, Apple's still in a bit of a downtrend on the weekly, but on a daily, how do we look on the daily? Kind of breaking out a bit there, right? But still below this channel and still within its parallel channel, downtrending parallel channel. So Apple looks like, you know, still kind of bearish, but it is breaking out here today. So if we close up here, it's a bit more bullish. We are still below my moving average. So you see what I mean by, like, there are a lot of conflicting things, are not in sync with each other. Meta looks bullish, Nvidia looks bullish, all this stuff is breaking out. But meanwhile, something like Apple is not super bullish yet. It's getting there, but it's not. And same like S&P is not, it's bullish, but not crazy bullish like the Dow Jones is. I mean, Dow Jones is bullish on another level. Same with like Boeing, for example. Like I did not expect this from Boeing, but Boeing is nonstop to the upside. And this is basically your W. It confirmed a massive W. And the target for a 4.669 chaos level is all the way up here at 360. 360 is the target for Boeing. Absolutely nuts. And you can see here was your breakout, right, at 180. And same with RSI. If I draw RSI, right, here's your different downtrend lines. Here's the breakout right here. And it's just been on a tear since then. But this was your W, confirmed W. And now we're pointing to a target of 358, basically right back at the highs. And if I even try to draw some like downtrend lines here, like this is another downtrend line. We just rode this downtrend line all the way down. That tagged it, created a W, and took off. This is showing how things are not at all in sync. Not even a little bit. And I think it's being done on purpose. It's kind of like, it reminds me of like shitcoins, like Boeing and Meta, and all these are all different altcoins. And maybe the S&P is like Bitcoin or something. And all the altcoins are like popping off at different times, while the S&P is staying in this kind of semi-bearish state, just to fool retail traders into thinking that the bull market is not back and making sure that they don't long any of the names. Possibility. I think it's a very strong possibility. You can see Boeing up 3%, just nonstop, overbought on every time frame, weekly, daily, 12-hour, 4-hour. Every single time frame it's overbought. I'm shocked that there's been no pullback. You've got a 9 that came in, you've got divergence that's coming in, and it's just been levitating higher. There's just too many conflicting signals, and it is an extremely difficult trading environment.